Okay, so you have seen these extenders all over the place. They're waist extenders. And I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, those things are so easy to make. So if you don't want to spend any extra money, but you think you might need a waist extender, maybe you're expecting or you know someone who's expecting and they don't want to have to buy all new wardrobe, let me show you how to make one. So come along with me. Okay, so these are the items you're going to need. A piece of elastic. This one is, let's see, 3/4 inch wide, and I am going to cut it to approximately 6 inches long. Now, if you see here, I've marked this, and that's approximately 1 inch. The reason for that is because it's going to be used for a fold, so you will need that. And then you'll also need a small button. I also have this little kit that I picked up a while ago and just never had a chance to use it, so I will be using it primarily to create my buttonholes. So, and I love that it has this tiny little cutting mat, so I think that's so cute. But anyways, so I'll be using that as well to do that. Yes, you do need to use your button making foot because you're going to need that as we go along. So let's do this on the sewing machine.